The universe is a vast, enigmatic expanse, full of breathtaking phenomena and cosmic oddities that challenge our understanding of nature. Among these, the discovery of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, has unveiled some of the most bizarre and extreme worlds, each more extraordinary than the last. These planets seem to exist in extreme conditions that defy the very laws of nature, from planets hotter than our wildest imaginations to those exhibiting strange physical phenomena. Whether it's a planet made of burning ice or one where it rains glass, these worlds remind us that the universe is far stranger than we could ever conceive. Let's dive into some of the most unusual and extreme planets discovered so far. Our journey begins with 55 Cancri e, an exoplanet that challenges everything we know about habitability. Located about 40 light-years away in the Cancer constellation, this super-Earth was discovered in 2004 and immediately caught the attention of scientists. 55 Cancri e orbits its star, 55 Cancri a, at a blistering distance of just 2.4 million kilometers, much closer than Mercury's orbit around our Sun, which is about 58 million kilometers. This close proximity to its star results in extreme temperatures, with the surface temperature on the planet soaring above 2000 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest known exoplanets. The planet's extreme heat and close orbit lead to a strange and inhospitable world. Half of the planet is a boiling sea of liquid lava, constantly subjected to the intense heat of its nearby star. On the opposite side, the other half is bathed in eternal darkness, with temperatures plummeting dramatically. In between these two extremes lies what is known as the twilight zone, a narrow band where temperatures might be more moderate, offering a slight possibility for life to exist, though highly unlikely. 55 Cancri e has earned the nickname Diamond Planet due to early speculations that it could be rich in carbon, possibly even having a diamond-like composition. While later research using the Spitzer Space Telescope has revealed an atmosphere filled with carbon monoxide and hydrogen, the nickname persists. Still, the planet remains largely uninhabitable, as it endures not only extreme heat but also harsh conditions that would make it impossible for life as we know it to survive. GLE 436b, discovered in 2004, is another exoplanet that exhibits extreme and unusual characteristics. Located about 30 light-years away in the Leo constellation, this planet presents an intriguing paradox: it is a planet of burning ice. While most ice would evaporate or melt at high temperatures, GLE 436b has a surface temperature of around 430 degrees Celsius, yet it contains a unique form of ice known as Ice 7. This exotic form of ice remains solid despite the intense heat due to the extreme pressure conditions inside the planet. The water doesn't turn into gas, as we would expect at such high temperatures. Instead, it stays solid, making GLE 436b a truly unique and fascinating world. This phenomenon of burning ice is the result of a combination of high pressure and heat, which produces this rare state of water that scientists are eager to study further. Despite its heat, GLE 436b's atmosphere also creates a dynamic and unusual environment, influenced by its close orbit around a red dwarf star. The planet's surface pressure, heat, and chemical composition make it an outlier in planetary science. While it shares some characteristics with Neptune, its actual properties and its burning ice phenomenon set it apart, making it a rare exception in the universe. Trace 2b, located about 750 light-years away in the Draco constellation, is a gas giant that takes darkness to a whole new level. Despite being in close proximity to its star, this planet is incredibly dark, reflecting less than 1% of the light that strikes its surface. Trace 2b's atmosphere consists of a mix of hydrogen and helium gases, but unlike the atmospheres of other gas giants, it has no reflective clouds that could scatter light. As a result, the planet absorbs almost all of the incoming light, making it appear pitch black. The extreme darkness of Trace 2b stands in stark contrast to the bright, sunny world of Earth. Its lack of reflectivity means it is difficult to study using traditional methods. Still, scientists continue to explore the strange properties of its atmosphere, which absorbs all incoming light and heat, giving it an eerie glow. The planet's surface temperature is estimated to be around 1000 degrees Celsius, and the intense heat and darkness make it one of the most unwelcoming places in the universe. Trace 2b reminds us of the uniqueness of our own planet. Earth exists in a perfect balance of light and dark, heat and cold, and these balanced conditions are ideal for life. Trace 2b's total lack of light serves as a stark reminder of how rare and special our planet is in the vastness of space. Another planet that takes our understanding of extreme environments to new heights is HD 189733b, a hot Jupiter located about 63 light-years from Earth. Discovered in 2005, HD 189733b is known for its incredibly high wind speeds and the bizarre phenomenon of glass rain. The planet's atmosphere is filled with powerful winds that reach speeds of up to 8,700 km per hour. These winds whip silicate particles into the atmosphere, which then condense into clouds of glass. When these particles fall back to the surface, they rain down as shards of glass, moving horizontally at hypersonic speeds. With surface temperatures reaching around 1000 degrees Celsius, HD 189733b is one of the hottest planets known. The planet's extreme weather systems and violent storms make it an inhospitable and chaotic world. If you were to visit this planet, you would not only face the threat of glass rain but also the powerful winds that could strip away anything in their path. Despite its inhospitable nature, HD 189733b offers valuable insights into planetary science, helping scientists understand the behavior of gas giants and their unique weather systems. The planet is visible from Earth with the help of powerful telescopes, and its transit in front of its host star offers researchers a wealth of data that deepens our understanding of the universe. HD 106906b is an exoplanet that exists in an orbit so vast and isolated that it has earned the nickname, the loneliest planet. Located around 336 light-years from Earth in the Southern Cross constellation, HD 106906b orbits its star at a staggering distance of 650 astronomical units, AU. For context, Neptune, the outermost planet in our solar system, is only about $30 from the Sun. The incredible distance of HD 106906b from its star makes it one of the most isolated planets known. Theories suggest that HD 106906b was once much closer to its star but was flung into its distant orbit due to a gravitational interaction within the system. Others propose that it might have been a failed star, never quite reaching the mass required to ignite nuclear fusion. Despite its extreme distance from its star, the planet remains bound to the system, and its enormous size, about 11 times the mass of Jupiter, keeps it gravitationally tethered. HD 106906b's extreme isolation makes it a particularly interesting case in planetary science. It challenges our understanding of how planets form and remain in orbit, especially in such an extreme and lonely environment. The planet's unusual position and size continue to puzzle scientists and offer new avenues for research. Pulsars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae, leaving behind rapidly rotating neutron stars that emit intense radiation. In the Virgo constellation, the pulsar PSRB 1257+12 is orbited by 3 exoplanets, Draeger, Poltergeist, and Phobter, that exist in a truly inhospitable environment. These planets are likely the survivors of a system destroyed by the pulsar's intense radiation, which slowly disintegrated the planets over time. The planets orbiting PSRB 1257+12 are incredibly old and show no signs of geological activity. They are likely rocky worlds that have been scorched by the pulsar's radiation, making them some of the most extreme and desolate planets in the universe. These zombie planets offer a glimpse into the final stages of a planetary system after its host star has died, leaving only burnt-out remnants in its wake. WASP-12b, discovered in 2008, is another example of a hot Jupiter located in close proximity to its star. This planet orbits its star in just 1.1 Earth days, and due to its extreme closeness to the star, it absorbs nearly all of the light that reaches it. This makes WASP-12b one of the dimmest known planets. With a surface temperature exceeding 2,200 degrees Celsius, the planet's atmosphere is gradually being stripped away, creating a comet-like tail. As we continue to explore the cosmos, Space Lab will remain your go-to destination for the latest discoveries and mind-blowing phenomena from the universe. Whether you're fascinated by the extreme worlds we've just uncovered or eager to learn about the mysteries of space, we promise to bring you the most exciting and thought-provoking content. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on this thrilling journey through the cosmos, where the wonders of the universe never cease to amaze. Keep looking up, and we'll see you in the next adventure.